hear that now?
What the
At the beginning of this year, me and my husband made a promise to each other to make the leap of faith and trust God, quit our jobs, and run our homestead full time. We live in a small town in Georgia. For once, we decided to invest in ourselves. That also meant making the investment equipment to record our lives full time, to let you guys see how we see it through our eyes. That's right, you heard me. We quit our 9-to-5 job to work 24 hours on what we love to do every single day. We're retired veterans. We now get to raise our kids and watch them grow up. We were tired of the fast-paced life and having to work around the world's schedule. We wanted to make time for the things that we loved to do. I was tired of watching my husband miss out on his kids. We hated sending our kids to school, so we're doing something about it. Just want to make a little extra income on the side and watch our babies grow up and learn new things along the way. We know this journey is going to be long and hard. We're being patient. We're putting in the hours and the hard work. At this point in our lives, failing is not an option. So come join us as we do what we love every single day.
Left lane. Oh my God, my thighs are so roasted. Honey, you can have my hamstrings for dinner. They're cooked. In full bloom, and the first thing we harvested was basil and a whole lot of mint. We're gonna put them in mason jars. So there's green basil in here, Italian basil, and purple basil. It's been going for a couple of days now, but it smells delicious. I also don't want to have big chunks of basil in my food, so I'm gonna squish it. Okay, there's our basil. We're going to set this on the stove. This is our mint. And the reason why I did them separate and not at the same time is because my daughter is allergic to mint. But she does like some of my spaghetti, and I don't want a chance mixing the mint and the basil together and she having an allergic reaction. There's so much mint in here. Okay, we're gonna go put this in the guest room so I can turn it on because it's really loud, and then we're gonna finish up the mason jars. Okay? Yeah. This is lemon balm. These two are lemon balm. I am not going to crush these because they're supposed to be for tea. I actually need to go into the garden today. I've got more lemon balm growing in the garden. But your girl ain't been out there in 3 days because I had a pinched nerve. I still have a pinched nerve. But we're going to put this in a quart size because I have lemon balm growing. I don't know. This is bad. I don't know what this is. It says ham on it. Okay, so this is lemon balm, so I'm gonna put pineapple sage and sage on the same shelf. We're out here checking the garden, and the corn is ready to pick. And if we don't pick it now, we're not gonna be able to pick it. So we've got 4 rows, and we're gonna pick corn. Yeah. What you're looking for is little things right here. And you're gonna take it and you're gonna push down and twist. So they're tiny. And we're going to use these anyways. We're going to pickle the little ones.
These look really good. I just want to take a big old...
Mama, you mean this one? I have one too.
Yeah. I think out of all the years I've tried to grow corn, I don't know, it's like a hit or miss for us. I don't know, it's weird. Like some of these cobs are really big, and then some of them are not.
Mama, corn. Look how big this is. Look at this.
We're going to get it, don't worry.
Good pit on
Also, the storm that came through here with that mini tornado, it kind of like messed up the corn.
Yeah, because some of it's like spreading outward.
Where are you going, Peanut? No, look at this.
Oh my God.
Look at this. Look at how small. Like, I don't get it. Hold on.
I just got a big
Did you?
cob.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at it. It's not even developed. I don't get it.
Big old corn near the ground. Oh, it's looking reverse.
It's what?
Like there's leaves going up and sealing the inside of the cob. Ooh, it rusted.
What? Let me see.
This is eating. Something got to it.
Let me see.
Look. All the way back.
Oh my God. He's eating it right now.
All this corn is just everywhere.
Be careful because there's green beans under it. I know.
Oh yeah, and this big one.
That one's bad. That one's not bad. We gotta keep that off of that one. Oh, that was beautiful.
You planted them.
We have 2 rows over there and 4 rows over there, and we're gonna plant more corn. I just don't know where yet. 2 white ones here. Oh, look at this bed right here. Look at that bed.
Beautiful.
Onions and lettuce. It's just gorgeous.
Yes.
Like the garden is literally thriving. It is, this is pepper row. Peppers and tomatoes and lettuce.
Oh, yeah.
Tomatoes and lettuce on this row. Sweet potatoes and lettuce. I'm sorry, sweet potatoes and tomatoes. Like, not to mention, this side has onions and potatoes and collard greens. My goodness. What's what? Look at that cabbage. Look how big elephant ears. Those aren't elephant ears, baby. Those are pumpkins. Pumpkins? Yep. Those are pumpkins. Collard greens look beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Those are collard greens.
Nice. Broccoli I planted?
Right there. That's over there.
Oh, these are the broccolis.
Yeah. Potatoes, I think they're not just ready. Not ready just yet, but...
Look at all those onions we have.
I know. Matter of fact, we need to go through and check the onions.
Yeah, Ma.
Yeah.
There's a lot of onions that look like they're done.
They're not. That's not done. I'm going to show you how you know it's done or not. So, this one, how it's falling over.
If they're falling over, they're done.
They're done. So, pull them out. This one.
If I see one that's falling over,
Hold on. Don't just get to pulling now. Wait a minute. Don't get too happy.
Mom, what's this? It looks really good.
I don't know. Actually, I have no idea what this is.
It probably was like those second pair of broccolis or collard greens.
I don't know what it is. I'm gonna be so very honest. Like it's gorgeous, whatever it is.
Yeah, but
It honestly, it looks like collard greens.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like to me.
It looks like broccoli, but different and more extending outward.
Nasturtium, tomatoes, those onions over here are thriving. Oh my God. So we've got 5 onions we need to dry out. I want to show y'all the pumpkins because it is crazy how one bed, they're very small, and then this bed over here, this pumpkin patch with carrots and cabbage and lima beans has just taken off. I have never ever seen pumpkin leaves this big. Like, here's my foot. Hold on. Here's my foot. It's like, these are absolutely stunning. Like, look at how big that is. Here's my hand.
They're so beautiful.
Look at these.
Look at that one in the back. It's huge.
I know. Look at how big this one is. Oh. That is gorgeous.
Yes.
I don't think the potatoes are ready to pick yet. However, you can see some of them coming up out of the ground.
Yes. I love tomatoes. They're really good.
Like, look, there's a pumpkin right there, or a potato.
Nice. Oh, wait, this entire bare bed is just potatoes?
Yeah, this entire bed is potatoes. Like, look, they're right here, too.
Oh, nice. It's like a clod of small sweet.
No, I'm going to have to get into this bed. But not yet, not yet. Not yet. Talk about abundance. I'm still shocked. There's like little sweet potatoes everywhere, and here's the bad part. That's a sweet potato. I did not plant that. That's from last year. All those sweet potato leaves over there, and they're under the tarp in the ground. I did not plant those.
Oh, what
Guys, it's romaine lettuce.
They look beautiful.
Oh my goodness. I wanted to show you the peppers.
I want to see the peppers. Oh, yeah.
Look, there's another one over here, and it's huge.
Oh, my God.
Look at that pepper.
We should get to that before the rabbits do.
Not yet. Y'all, when I tell you I have worked so hard for this year's garden, all of these were sown by my hand. Every single plant you see, I planted.
Good morning, folks. We are back in the kitchen today, and we're getting some stuff taken care of. We're making sofrito and putting them in ice trays to freeze them. We're going to take care of the corn that we harvested last night, and we've already got our beef for tonight's dinner marinating in the refrigerator. So we're going to get these onions chopped up. We've got onions, cilantro, bell peppers, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil that's going to be pureed and then put in ice trays and frozen. Y'all, if y'all could smell this, oh my. Look at how green this is. Okay, that gave us almost 3 full trays. Also, our mint is done. Oh my God. I have most definitely made a mess. Ta-da! Okay, we're gonna get these put up and we'll be right back.
Went ahead and bought some batteries for the F350, and they're a little bit too big because in the battery tray it can only be about no more than 11 inches, and the batteries we bought were about 13 inches, so the batteries would have worked, but they weren't going to fit in there. So going back to the store, trading them for something a little smaller. Oops, my bad.
Chickens! Look at pretty little butt nuggets. Chickens!
That battery's cooked.
Jesus Christ.
That's probably why I didn't want to start. All right, backstory. Okay, so last weekend, went ahead and starter was going bad. Had click, nothing, backed off, tried to turn it right back on, it would start right up. So starter was not engaging, so I went ahead and replaced starter. Gas light was on, it was at 20 miles, still empty, and it reset it to 60. And when it did that, we kind of sort of drove the vehicle down to no fuel. And a diesel truck, you cannot do that too. So you always have to have fuel in it. So after I install these batteries, I have to go ahead and prime the system and get all the air out of the lines. And once that's done, we got a running truck again.
Hopefully. I hate that I'm so short.
And I don't understand how you can jump in and out of that bad boy, but you don't like getting in and out of my brand new car. My brand new, to me, she has problems. She's always getting stuck in mid rotation and get out of the truck.
It's the angle of the seat. We have to get those covered. We got to turn those back in.
Yep. To see it has corrosion on the battery cover. Well, I'm just gonna wipe it off real quick. This is the corrosion on the top of the battery, and this is in the center of the battery, and corrosion got onto the battery tie down. Alright.
Well, now you gotta let it dry.
Ain't gonna take long. This primer, sandable primer, so won't take long. It was a little wet still.
Oh.
I have brake cleaner.
You okay, baby?
Yeah, just, about to see sparks, maybe.
Oh. You heard it go tick?
Yeah.
Is that good?
I mean, yeah, because we just connected the battery, so all the electronics turned on. Yeah, I think that battery that was in here was really old. You know why? Because I got to open up this connector more
Than the other one?
just to install it.
Moment of truth.
Yeah, I hope that if I can. It's the last time I tried to start this thing up, I was priming it. I'm gonna have to do this a couple times. I don't know.
Thunder noise.
That sounds like air.
It does, doesn't it? You can hear it.
That's what I was hearing. You know what? What?
You try and give it gas?
No.
Okay.
You hear that?
Mm-hmm.
There's no fuel in there. It's you hear that now?
Mm-hmm.
Move.
Right here.
Move.
Right here.
Move. Ah, shit.
What the?
I didn't touch nothing there.
I can literally see it.
That's fine, but babe. Give me a second. That hard.